Welcome to the latest release of DigiDM's 3D animations module for FoundryVTT and 3DCanvas. We've got some warriors, we've got some Wanty. Let's get into it. We'll start with the Wanty Malison. This is idle 1 and idle 2. A little more subtle. A little spell casting animation, a scimitar blade attack, reaction, and then the death. We move on to the abomination, which starts with this sort of idle bounce. Second idle where it gets a little bit bigger. Got a spell cast of sorts, a attack, a attempt at a sort of constrict. We've got a reaction, and then of course the death. Moving on to our abomination cobra. It's an intimidation kind of idle. Sorry, I'm trying to change the angle so you can see it better. There's this spell of sorts. A bite is what that is. Another constrict, a reaction, and a death. We move to the Malison female type 3, and we've got our various idols. Got a scimitar attack. I will fix that little artifact that's showing there. We got a spell, a reaction, and a death. Again, I will fix that piece, which will probably be on this one too, because they are the similar animation. Oh, he might not have the artifact, but there's that slash, there's that spell, and a reaction and death. Okay. We move to this tribal warrior who's got front-facing kind of idol that looks funny because he's made to be in this position. He's got a spear attack, his reaction, and a death. And it looks like this one's got a problem with its mesh, which I will fix, but we see similar attack and falling. We've got a drow. Female drow warrior. A couple different positions, one more casual. There's a spear attack, a reaction, and death. Same thing for this human fighter. Same animations. And down. Next, we've got this skeletal warrior with an axe. He's got a casual sort of standing position. He's got his axe attack, a reaction, and a death. We've got some gnolls. Idle 2. Little claw attack, a reaction, and death. Same thing. Idle 2. Claw, reaction, and death. Okay, last but not least, we've got some gnoll rangers. Second idle, just subtle. We got an arrow shooting. See how that looked. Kind of goes down in a weird way, but it'll work. reaction and death. Same thing here. Different idols, shooting, reaction, and death. Looks like there's an artifact on that one for the death. Not on the other one. Okay, I'll fix that. And last, but certainly not least, is this pile of bones. And you might be wondering, what is that pile of bones doing here? Well, I did a little remix. Boom. Little animation for a skeletal dragon. Bunch of bones magically come together. This is already my dragon module. I just added a bones and a forming, so you can find this one under the dragons catalog and skeleton new animated. And all you have to do is set it to 9B, which is a pile of bones, and I have this macro here that basically switches it to index 2 for 7 seconds and then stops at index 1, and then you just grab it and run that macro. Really cool effect. Okay. That is it for this release. Happy summer 2026.